He's so caught up in putting stickers on the floor, putting masks on your face, putting goggles on you. The guy's a menace, and he hasn't been right really about anything since the start of this.
People who don't believe in masks are a sign that we're devolving as a species. Solid things block out things. That's all the concept is. Do you sleep with your tent open? Like, things block things. We figured that out before we figured out fire. Humans were sleeping in caves because we were like, F the weather over there. Oh, this solid thing blocks some of that out.
I have no idea if we are devolving as a species, but I do know that Rand Paul is not our best.
Lower death rate, lower hospitalization rate, and better ability to treat it than we have during the entire pandemic.
It is both hilarious and horrifying that we have these conservative libertarians in public office, I could end the sentence there, but I'm going to keep going, who are anti-mask, who are anti-vax, who don't believe in social distancing guidelines, and then they're saying, hey, the pandemic's almost over because death rates have gone down and cases have gone down. Those are the result of people getting vaccinated and people wearing masks. And if a new variant comes out, because we don't have herd immunity, and because people aren't wearing their masks, and because people aren't vaccinated, that's not a cause for concern? This is insane.
Fauci saying folks need to be ready for them to return because cases of a new strain of COVID are on the rise.
Anthony Fauci is once again misunderstanding, misinterpreting, and misapplying the data. The data is this: we have a lower incidence of COVID now than we've had since the beginning of the pandemic.
Oh yeah, it was sunny yesterday and it's sunny today, so there's no way it could possibly rain tomorrow. So let's look at a point in time when a new variant was identified. Cases increased exponentially after this. This variant was very contagious. They're saying this new variant that they've just identified is also more contagious. We could see cases greatly increase in the very near future.
Carry plexiglass around with you because Dr. Fauci thinks that plexiglass somehow, reflects the virus away from you.
The virus reflects off of the plexiglass?
Solid things block out things. That's all the concept is.
What we should be talking about is that if you do get it, or if you're susceptible, if you're in your 80s or 70s and your spouse gets it, there is a treatment.
Why didn't we think of this? We could just get treated if we contract the virus. Why are we preventing contraction of the virus? We have a great healthcare system in this country. We definitely don't have people having necessary claims getting denied and 28 million people uninsured.
But all of the treatments work best if you're treated early before your symptoms get too bad.
Do you know how many Americans can afford $150 to $500 to pay to go visit at an urgent care facility and pay for the medicines that they prescribe? Very few.
So Anthony Fauci won't tell you this, but I will. The monoclonal antibodies, if you get them in the first several days, are enormously successful.
You don't need healthcare or money to pay for the treatments. You just need to know what they are. Why isn't the government telling you what the treatments are?
Well, you always tell us exactly how you feel.